At the edge of the village lived a quiet family, Tund, the father, calm, hard-working, protective. Amara, the mother, gentle but strong-willed. Mina, their 11-year-old daughter, curious, brave, a little too brave. They lived a peaceful life until one night, the nightmare chose them. It started with a scratching sound on their roof. Tund froze. Amara whispered, "Please tell me that's a branch." But branches didn't move like footsteps. Slow, heavy, deliberate. Thump. 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 Mina peeked through the window. She regretted it instantly. Perched on the roof was a massive black bird with wings that dragged on both sides of the house. Blood dripped from its talons. A half-chewed human hand hung from its beak. And when it turned its head, its eyes glowed straight into hers. She screamed. Tund grabbed her away from the window. But it was too late. The bird had seen her, and once it marked someone, it always came back for them.